Hey friends, if you wish to change the ruler unit in Word, Excel or PowerPoint, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now the ruler unit is the unit used to measure, and that is centimeter by default. But I'll tell you something, people use different formats in different countries. So here's what you can do. Click on File, select Options, go to the Advanced tab. In the right pane, scroll down, and go to the display section. Now the default measurement unit is centimeters. You can change it to inches, you can change it to points, you can change it to picas, you can also change it to millimeters, which is very small, and you can also select its size and all, and then click on OK to save the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.